My name is James Masharia, Group Managing Director of NIC Bank. We just finished a chat with which was hosted by the Kenyan Bankers Association. The topic was banks and the capital markets. As you are aware, this subject is very important for the country, and Vision 2030 being one of the key pillars for the achievement of Vision 2030. We had a long chat, but some of the key topics we discussed today, one of them was about why banks are going to the capital markets. We've seen this year about 4 banks coming to the capital markets in a year when people are preparing for the general elections. It's very important for banks to come to the capital markets to boost their capital. In the recent 3 or 4 years, we have seen massive growth in the industry. As a result of that, banks have had their capital ratios under stress because of the growth, but also banks are looking at the future of the country and saying after elections there will be another massive growth in the industry, and therefore banks are preparing themselves to go into the future with a strong capital base. Secondly, banks are also going regional. You're seeing banks establishing subsidiary companies in Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, and so these kind of investments do take capital, and therefore banks are preparing themselves for these kind of initiatives. And then technology, banks are investing heavily in technology, and so they have to have a big capital base to support this kind of investments.